Today we discuss the polychrest medicine Belladonna. Belladonna, common name of Belladonna is deadly nightshade. Family is Solanaceae. Prover is master honeyman. It is a polychrest remedy when the disease condition is acute and violent. Key points and it is a children or women's remedy. Belladonna is a Latin word that means beautiful lady. The key point is sudden onset and there is main brain symptoms. According to Clark, there is point A, B, C. A for aconite, that is the turmoil in circulation, belladonna turmoil in brain, and chamomilla turmoil in temperament. There is belladonna for brain symptoms. We come to the clinical. There is a clinical point abscess, apoplexy, boils, brain affection, carbuncle, convulsion, cough, delirium, fever, headache, meningitis, vertigo, menstruation troubles, whooping cough, abdominal affection, etc. Sphere of action is brain and its membrane, cardiovascular system, heart, lungs, mucous membrane of eye, throat, mouth, dry skin. The key points also there is also key point prince of congestive remedies, first stage of the inflammation, right sided medicine, and the patient is very chilly. Then come to the characteristic symptoms. Every disease with acute and sudden violent condition. Congestion, there is a condition with brain symptoms, excitement, irritability, delirium, and pain. Congestion causes the redness of face and flushed face. Above, we study the first stage of inflammation. In the inflammation, there is a four signs. Firstly, redness, then heat, then swallowing, and then pain. There is always pain with redness, and there is also swelling and heat formation. Firstly, redness from the congestion of the inflamed or affected part. Skin is very red and over whole body is red. Heat is due to congestion, great heat at affected part, burning sensation at every part of skin, brain, mouth, throat, tonsils, stomach, liver. Every part have burn sensation. Sensitive, excessive, excessive sensitive. To touch, least jar, noise, taking make them distinctly odds, light, slight, shining subject. Then it is a pain remedy. Pain is short attacks, sudden onset, you get away suddenly. Pain with redness of face and eyes, burning and throbbing character, pain above to downwards. Patient is not thirsty in fever. Patient is very much sleepy but can sleep. Mine is hallucinations, fear of imaginary things. Imagine he sees ghost, hideous face, various insect, black animals, dogs, wolves, violent delirium, disposition to bite, spit, strike, and tear things. Tries to escape, breaks into fits of laughter and gnashes the teeth. Trio of delirium, there is a trio, belladonna, hyoscyamus, and stramonium. Particular symptoms: headache, throbbing of brain and carotid, congestive headache with flushed face, aggravation from slight noise, jar, motion, light, lying down, and least exertion, amelioration by pressure, tight bandaging, wrapping eye during menses. Then vertigo when sleeping or stooping or when rising after stooping. Fever is head hot and painful. Face is flushed. Eyes open, wide open, staring, pupils dilated, pulse full and bounding, globular like backsword striking the finger. There is a first stage of the inflammation. There is always the face is flushed, redness. Abdomen pain in the right ileocecal region, which is aggravated by slightest touch. Transverse colon protrudes like a pad. Skin is dry, hot, burning, redness. Sudden up scarlet fever. Female throbbing pain and feels as if the contents of the abdomen would burst from the vulva. Aggravated in morning and ameliorated by sitting erect or standing. Modalities: aggravation from touch, motion, noise, light at 3 p.m., night after midnight, while drinking and covering the head, summer, sun, lying down. Amelioration in rest, warm room. Relation complementary of calcarea. Thank you.